Python, filter a list of objects, but return a specific attribute. Suppose I have a list of person objects, which have an age and room underscore number attribute, and I have written a check function, which returns true, if person.age and person.room underscore number are satisfactory, false otherwise. Filter check, list underscore of underscore people underscore objects, would return a list of person objects which satisfies the criteria of check. However, my question is there a way of returning a list of each approved person's room number without iterating through the list twice, like so without using list comprehension? So filtering, but returning a more specific attribute of the iterable. Map lambda x column x dot room underscore number, filter check, list underscore of underscore people underscore objects.
There are in fact two ways. itertools. List comprehension. Which you choose is mostly a matter of taste, but convention leans towards the latter.
In the case of object filtering, where you want to do an inclusive union of a subset of properties to equal a limited set of values and then perform any option, including list the attribute values of the filtered list, you can do the following using generators in a single statement, last line of code. The rest is there for instruction showing generating a large list of objects using matrix multiplication to generate constructor params.
Output.
If you want to work it out, please consider subscribing.